Go to Play Store. Search for Opera Mini. Look for Opera browser with free VPN and install it. I have already installed the same. After installing, open it and search for TikTok. Go to tiktok.com. It will show you that the app is currently unavailable. Go to browser settings and enable VPN. Now try to open TikTok. Here you go, TikTok has opened and now you can watch the videos of your favorite creator.